Hello, my nail polish fanatics, and I am back with another dupe video. This video I'm displaying 6 polishes but 3 sets to see if they're dupes or not. I really enjoyed this video and I hope you do too. If you like this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give this video an enthusiastic thumbs up. Also, make sure you click on your notification bell so you know when I upload new content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see which one of these polishes that I have in my arsenal are dupes or not. Okay, so I do have some polishes that I am going to see if they're dupes or not. I only doing 3 sets in comparison. So I'm going to put these to the side, these two, and then these two together. Okay, so like I said, only 3 sets, very short video, but I just wanted to see if they were dupes or not. They look very similar. They may not be exact, but they look very similar. Today, what I am wearing, this is what I'm wearing today. Love this polish. This is a LynBDesigns polish. And this is called The Sun Came Out. And this was for August 2023 Hella Handmade Creations. I could not destash this one because I simply love this one. And can you see why? Just simply gorgeous. Love that orange, reddish, copper, I guess, orange copperish shimmer in there with that just bright yellowish. Just love this one. So that's what I'm wearing today. The polishes that I'm showing today, this first one, let me zoom in a bit so you can really see it. Victorian Varnish. This one is very, very new. This is going to be for, and if you've seen my videos, I've shown you what is coming up, but this is going to be a reflective Enchanted Baubles, which is going to be for December Hella Handmade Creations. If you have not seen that video, I will link it here. But this is the polish for that. Look at that reflective glitter. Beautiful. The other one I have, and I'm having to shake it up a bit. It's been sitting around for a bit, but it's not an exact, but similar. But this is Adored Colors, and I hate that they stopped making polishes. I really like their polish. I think they no longer make polishes anymore. But this is an Adored Colors polish that I've had for a while. Very, very pretty. But this one is a glow in the dark. The other for Victorian Varnish is not. Can't Believe You Kiss Your Cock at Night. This is from June 2023 polish pickup. Had it for a while, but as you can see, I see that they are not the same. This has more of a yellow tint to it. This has more of pinkish, reddish shimmer to it. But what made me think of the Adored Colors when I saw Victorian Varnish polish is because of those blue reflective glitters in there. And that's what made me pull this one out. Although I can see now, looking at them side by side, they are not dupes. But I did want to display them. Like I said, this, and I'm just, every time I just drip, drip, drip all over my mat. Gosh, I do this every video, it seems like. Yeah. Okay. All right, so this one has more of a yellow tint to it. They both dry down pretty flat. This one's, the consistency is a bit thinner, which I like because that way it doesn't become a goobly gobbly mess. as I call it. But and zoom in a little bit more so you can see. But you can see here, it's a beautiful polish. I love this one too. And like I said, when I saw this one in my PR package, it made me think of this one. Very, very super different. They are not the same at all. And like I said, I thought they were until I pulled them out. But I said, I'll go ahead and put it in my video anyway. The components are similar. It's just this one with Adored Colors has more of a yellow base than the other one. But they are both beautiful, beautiful polishes. So, not a dupe. But nice polishes nonetheless. Very, very nice. The next set is going to be a LynBDesign and a Victorian Varnish. And once I put them together, I do see that they are not dupes. The components almost look the same, but they are not dupes. In the LynBDesign, you can see more of the neon yellow greenish glitters. The Victorian Varnish has more of a pastel yellow. So these are not the same, but I did want to put these in the video. This one for Victorian is Rockin Notes. It is my forte. This was an exclusive custom polish for 2024. Girls Rock Birmingham. So this is a very pretty polish. Got a lot going on in there. The Victorian LynBDesign is Cake It to the Limit. This one is actually a thermal. This one I have displayed in a video with a mani, and if I can remember, I'll put it here. But this one, I love the contrast. At first I didn't like it, but I did like the contrast of the thermal effect of the polish. Went on very, very smooth. And again, this is going to be Victorian varnishes. And in putting them on is not too much of a big difference, really. I thought it would be, but it really isn't. This LynBDesign is more of a mauve color, and this one is more of like a hot pink in it. But the glitters made me think of each other, but they are different. They are not a dupe, but kind of close. Not too far in the spectrum, really not. Okay. And my last set is LynBDesigns and MJ Lacquer. This one really made me think of each other. Now the difference in this one is that LynBDesigns has those blue flakies in, not blue flakies, black flakies. MJ Lacquer does not. But the base color made me think of each other. So this is Jotunheim, which is a thermal LynBDesigns Little Box of Horrors contribution for December of 2024. And this is We've Been Waiting for You, which is a thermal. Both of these are thermals. And this one is for Polish Pickup of 2023 from MJ Lacquer. So they're both thermals. So let's go ahead and see if these are I know they're not going to be the same because of these black flakies in this one for LynBDesigns. But as far as the other flakies, it made me think of MJ Lacquer's polish in comparison. So, and the base color as well. The base color looks very spot on. And I think had LynBDesigns not put those black flakies in there, it would have been very close to being a dupe. But because LynBDesigns did put the flakies in there, that's what's made it stood out from MJ Lacquer's. Now, MJ Lacquer's flakies, I believe, are a bit thicker or bigger, if you want to say. The formulas are almost the same as far as consistency. They really glide on. This is 2 coats of both. Now, looking at this one in the viewfinder, this one is not as a deep of a purple as LynBDesigns. LynBDesigns has a little bit of a deeper purple effect to it, but they are very close, especially with the shimmer of those flakies. They are very close. Had I put some black flakies in this one, it may have been very close towards a dupe. Just a tad bit richer in this color here, more of a purple leaning. This one is more pinker leaning to me. And I just dinged that, y'all. I hate when I do that. But very close. So second look, of course, this is Adored Colors. This one did dry down just a tad bit textured, not very, very textured. You still see a little bit of shine, but just a little bit textured. So a glossy top coat would be great with this one. Victorian varnish, it is super duper grainy. You are going to need like a glitter grabber and then a glossy top coat for that one. It's not as smooth as Adored, but this one is very grainy and textured. I would advise the soak off method for both of these. Now we've got LynBDesigns and then we've got Victorian varnish. They would have been very, very close had it not been for the brightness of the yellow here in the glitters. They dried down. Victorian varnish is not as textured. It looks like it would be, but it really isn't. It's not that textured. LynBDesign is a little bit more textured than with the Victorian varnish. So again, both of these would need the soak off method for removal. And then we have LynBDesigns and MJ Lacquer with their polishes, and they look almost the same, except this one is a little bit more richer. And you can also see underneath the MJ Lacquer a little bit more so, but the LynBDesign has those black flakies that stands it apart from MJ Lacquers. But both of those are beautiful. So these were not exact dupes, very close and similar. The first set wasn't, but the second 2 sets were very, very close and similar in consistency as well as the components and the polish. So that is all I have for this segment. I hope to bring more of if it's dupe or not as I go through polishes or as I come across polishes that jogs my memory as these did, to see if they were dupes or not. So I just wanted to show you as I thought they were, but they aren't. In my mind, I thought they were until I had to bring them to you guys and swatch them to see if they were dupes or not. If you do like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like for me to continue to do dupes or not segment. I want to bring content that you all are willing and wanting to watch. Also, again, if you like this video, make sure you share with your polish family and friends. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.